I asked you to send me your Twitch channels just so I can judge them, and you did. I'm Blue, and I'm here to tell you what first impression your Twitch page is giving to potential new followers. First up, we have Ray and Jay Odyssey. So the first thing I do on anybody's Twitch page is I click their about. Ray and Jay, is it one person? Welcome to the Ray and Jay Odyssey Twitch channel. Okay, wait, are there two of you? So first up, I see nothing about you. I don't know if this is one person or two people. I'm assuming it's two people because there's two names, but I would love, whether it is in your bio or a separate About Me panel, which I love an About Me panel, if you could mention, we're Ray and Jay, this is what we do. 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 6 days ago. Ooh, you stream pretty frequently, and I love that. Okay, let's see.
You guys in chat are going to be watching the wheel spin.
Yes.
Okay, there are two of you.
Spin.
That is going to be our story and stuff because we need to figure out what game we're playing for Wednesday.
Wait, I love your energy. Okay, cute. And I love a wheel spin to decide what you're going to be doing. The main thing I want to see you do is add anything about you, anything at all. I love your energy. In the 5 seconds I listened, you seem so fun. This seems like a great duo. Let's look at your stream titles. I also want to challenge you to title your streams something relevant to what you're doing, but not literally the game title. And I think that maybe you'll find more people are clicking on your stream because the only discoverability we have on Twitch really is our tags and our stream titles. We need it to catch people's eyes as they're scrolling through thousands of Twitch channels. Over here in your recommended, if they see a game that they enjoy playing and then they see a real native shows you how to run the Wild West for Red Dead Redemption. It's relevant to the game that they're playing, but it is not just literally the game title. So I want to challenge you to do that as well. But the main thing I want you to do is add anything about you. And it seems like you have a schedule. Wait, this is great. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday every single week. And that's fantastic. Tell us about you, little fun facts, and yeah, catchy stream titles, and then you're golden. Next up, we have Dave Slash, who is my friend, okay? But I'm not gonna go any easier on you just because you're my friend, and I'm gonna be judging quite a few of my friends, so if anything, I'll go harder. When we click on Dave's About Me, we see a brand, Obsessed. Thank you, Hot Dog. For the About, we have he, him, Neurospicy Gamer Dad. I've been playing video games since before FPS games existed. I've built several PCs over the years, but moved to console many moons ago. I mostly play Fortnite semi-well. First of all, you're fantastic at Fortnite, so shut the fuck up. And then we have a link to our Discord, YouTube, TikTok, rules, schedule, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, all times Eastern, all times approximate. It's vibes based. Understandable. Here's what I ask of you. I ask for a banner because you have a brand. It's literally right here. When you go into Dave's stream, you can collect a daily hot dog. The brand is hot dog, hot diggity fucking dog. Okay? I also would like to see some formatting happen in these panels now. The rules are nice and simple. I think that's good. Are you an 18 plus streamer or are you a family friendly streamer? Could be nice to have that in here. So that's my constructive feedback for you, Dave. Next up is Hazelnut666, another friend of mine. So Hazelnut, first and foremost, when I look at your page, I see Luca. I like that everything's italicized actually. And I see it in your bio here too. I think it's cute. I think it really matches your aesthetic. Hi, I'm Hazelnut. I'm a chaotic gamer who loves Fortnite, Phasmophobia, and more. Obsessed with all things pink, reading, plants, and gaming. Welcome to the chaos. This is a great little bio. I know quite a bit about you and your personality right off the bat. Your About Me is so cute with the hearts. Actually, wait, I want to do that. How do you do that? That's so freaking cute. Okay. Hi, I'm Hazelnut. I'm from Australia, so I swear like a trooper. Love to see it. I am a full-time, oh, this needs a heart next to it, I think. Oh, maybe it's down here. There's a little bit of a formatting issue here. And so I'm sure you can easily go in and fix it. Oh, there's another one here. Wait, there's slight confusion on where the hearts are. And I'm assuming you mean them as bullet points. Unless you put it, no, you put it before and after. Oh, you put the hearts before and after each sentence. Okay, let me look at it on my phone real quick. Yeah, on my phone it works. It does the before and after the way you're intending. On my computer, it does not do that. So whatever that means to you, However that makes you feel, you do with that what you will. Not a big deal. I'm just nitpicking. Okay, you have all your socials listed here. Do you have a link tree? So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to take this link. We're gonna link it to this panel image so that people can click and it's your link tree. This is great though, having your usernames listed, and then, oh, see, yeah, you can click to join your Discord. So yeah, do the same thing for your socials and your link tree. Maybe also put your link tree somewhere in here. I love that under each panel you have a description. I'm not sure if you have a schedule because you're a part-time streamer, which is also totally okay. You can even have a schedule panel stating that you stream when you can. Again, that's not something that is necessary. You are doing great. This looks great. I'm obsessed with you. So keep doing what you're doing. You're doing an amazing job. Next up, Lemon Ollie. I love this scrapbook situation. This is so fun. What a great banner. Obviously your name gets lost behind here. The Twitch banners they're hard to format, and I gave up on that a long time ago. Hi, I'm Lemon, she, her, ace cozy gamer, and lover of Sims 4, chill vibes, and co-working streams. Grab a warm drink and get comfy. You're always welcome here. Great bio off the bat. And then the about me has bullet points with flowers. How are you guys doing this? I need to level up my game. I'm gonna be Googling after this. I love that this bio gives you a general idea of who you are, what you love, what you do here, what to expect from your streams. And then the about me has more specifics about you. Hello, lovely. Name, Lemon, she, her. Birthday, January 13th, Capricorn. Oh my God, your birthday is 10 days after mine. Let's go, Capricorns. No wonder this looks so organized. All your links here, business email, mods are amazing. You listed your mods and their pronouns. List mods and pronouns with links. Commands. I love the list of your commands. What you could do if you wanted to do like a bullet point list, put what each one does, because I don't know what exclamation point Barbie, exclamation point Bibble, I don't know what those things do. So if they like make a sound or make something pop up on screen, something, you can put what they do, but also it can just be a fun thing for people to play with and figure out and see what it does. So I don't mind that at all. If you have a stream schedule, I would list it somewhere in your panels and or put it in your schedule here. Having it listed somewhere is super, super helpful. That's a cute starting soon screen. Oh, I really like that. Yeah, that's cute. You did fantastic. I'm not even sure. I don't even know if I critiqued anything. I think I just took notes. Keep it up. Time for Molly Pod. What I'm doing right now is how I met Molly. She does these content showcases on her stream, so everybody please go give her a follow. She is so fun. Molly Pod here, streaming Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time, unless stated otherwise in my server. The chat calls me Mummy, ironically or not, I don't even know. Motorbike, tattooed, headphone wearing, headphone warning. She, her, bisexual as fuck, stream reviews and anonymous confession stream once a month. Can we condense this into something condensed and then add more specific about me things in your about me, or find a more structured way to do this? Because I like everything you've put here, but I do feel like it's wordy. And also I think you should put your streaming schedule maybe at the end, so that the very first thing in your bio is you. What do you bring to the table? What to expect of you? And then how often to expect it. You can keep all this information. I think we can just find a way to make it less wordy. We have about me, variety streamer. I love this design thing. Is this a bow, a flower? I don't know, but I love it. 28 from London. Own 2 cute and chaotic ginger cats. I work full-time as a veterinary nurse, which is really hard to say, so kudos to you. I enjoy watching anime. What else do you want to know? My star sign, my shoe size? Your shoe size, yes please. You have to have a link tree. I know you do. Do you not have a link tree? Get you a link tree, and instead of having all of the various links here, I think you can put it into a link tree. And then some things like your Discord can have its own separate panel, your merch can have its own separate panel, but like your TikTok, Threads, Blue Sky, Instagram, condense that into a socials panel. I love the sponsorship panel. Hell yeah, code MollyPod for 20% off. Go get you one. I love how much you have here. You are an established streamer. You really are. I think what now you can work on is organization. But I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed that you can't stick to one game. I think that's so fun and so real, honestly. You're not trying to force anything, and it's really working for you. You're really doing a great job. Every time I pop into your streams, you're so entertaining. Keep doing what you're doing. Last but not least, we have Sydney. Wait, these are so cute with little sprouts. Love this. Hi, I'm Sydney, or Sid, she, her, cozy games, big laughs, and good vibes. This is a very strong bio. You know what you're getting right off the bat. welcome to the channel. Hi friends, I'm Sid, she, her. I love getting to share some of my favorite cozy games with our community, the Sprouts. That's cute. Rules: be kind to everyone, English only, no self-promotion, no spamming or links, no offensive language, no age chat. Are you family friendly, 18 plus in your language and stuff? Again, that's something that I just personally like to know when I'm about to raid a streamer, but it's also not super necessary if you're like, yeah, it's whatever. Ooh, click here to support our current campaigns. So it seems you consistently raise money for charities. I love that for you. Merch. Okay, here's, because like, wait, stop. These are so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? I'm not here to shop, Sydney. I'm not here to shop. Stop making me shop. I want a picture here of your most recent merch, I think. I'm assuming you just dropped these because it's the banner up here. I want you to edit together pictures of some of these things and put it here. Let me show you. I'm gonna use myself as an example. I want you to see it. Like this. Some sort of preview to the merch that you have, because you have really cute merch. So I think you should do something of that nature. I think that that would be really, really cute. What is this? Is this a stream team? Seasonal Minecraft server. Oh, it's a cute Minecraft. This is so cute. Your socials are linked here and in here. Alerts, what they do. Subs, what they do. This is great. This is so great. Do you have a channel trailer or anything? I forgot to look at anybody's channel trailers, to be honest. Maybe we can start doing that with the next one. Very strong Twitch page. You obviously know what you're doing. Just the merch picture, I think, was my biggest critique. Thank you guys for submitting your Twitch channels to me today. This was so much fun to look at all the different types of streamers out there and look at your pages and your individual brands and themes and where you are in your streaming journey. And there was a lot I could personally take away from each and every single one of you. I have quite a few more that I didn't get around to, so if you guys want me to do a part 2, please let me know. Also, put your Twitch usernames down below. Please subscribe, like this video, all of those things, and follow me on Twitch. Okay, goodbye!